You can make your games easier to understand by using inline icons with Component.Studio. Before you can use inline images, make sure you've uploaded the images you want into Component.Studio. I recommend having a specific folder for your icons. Make sure that folder has images available as icons enabled. This is on by default, but if an icon's not showing up, this is the first thing you should check. If you have padding in your image, this will appear as empty space when using the inline icon. Here's a side-by-side example of what an icon with padding and without might look like. With your icons uploaded, you're ready to call it into a text box using a tag. You do this by entering the opening angle bracket, image name, / closing angle bracket. When done correctly, you'll see the icon appear in your text. Or, when editing a field, use the icon dropdown here to select it, and Component.Studio automatically adds it to your text box. If you want to change the size of your icons, you can do that from either the font style area or the style override section on the layer itself. Adjust this percentage value to get the size you want. Like other text, you can also control this with style tags if you know how to use them. You should now be able to add your images as icons to your text boxes in Component.Studio. If you have any questions, come visit us on Facebook, Discord, Reddit, or comment below this video. We'll be happy to help you out. This has been Andrew Voigt with Component.Studio. Now get out there and go make some great games.